Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today in this video I am going to discuss about coordinate geometry in two dimension. Okay. Generally all things jibilak ami bostu pao kisuman ase tomar two dimensional figure ase kisuman three dimensional four dimensional figure ase. Generally ami yat discuss korim two dimensional thing. Three dimensional means what? Those things which have what? Length, breadth and height. Ebilak hoise tomar three dimensional. Two dimensional means what? It has length and what? Breadth only. Length aru ki ase tomar breadth he ase. It is what a two dimensional figure bilakot ami keneke define korim, keneke coordinate bilak ami define korim ba discuss koribo pora jay. Tar ki presentation ase, ki likhibo pora jay, kisuman ami line pam, kiteba tumi circle paba, kisuman parabola paba. Te ei bostu bilak ami keneke discuss koribo parim, ei bilak bostu ke ami two-dimensional figure through the discuss korisu. Okay. First, when you consider two axes, x-axis and y-axis, are there x o x dash and y o y dash. Two axes intersect perpendicularly. Keneke intersect korise hi perpendicularly. Perpendicularly jite hi intersect korile, then you have how many parts? Four parts. Four parts poar karone each part is known as what? Quadrant. Quadrant means what? Quadrant means what? Four. Here four parts poar karone this each part is known as what? Quadrant. That is the first quadrant. Etu koa hobo tomar first quadrant. And that is the second quadrant. This one third quadrant. And that is the what? Fourth quadrant. In coordinate system, in the first quadrant, x and y both are what? Positive. X and y both, these two coordinates are positive. In second quadrant, x is negative but y is what? Positive. In third quadrant, all are what? Negative. X and y both are what? Negative. In fourth quadrant, x is what? Positive but y is what? Negative. That means when you consider, jodi kisuman moi point consider koru, like tumak jodi tumi consider korile 2 minus 3 lies on where x coordinate is what? Positive but y coordinate is what? Negative. X coordinate positive, y coordinate negative. That means this point lies on where? Fourth quadrant. Jodi tomar both are negative law, x is negative and y also negative. That lies on where? Third quadrant. That means simply you have like that. Here jodi moi x coordinate bili consider korisu, that is the y coordinate, x and y coordinate. In first quadrant, x is what? Positive and y also what? Positive. In second quadrant, what? X is what? Negative but y is what? Positive. In third quadrant tumi ki pai jaba? X and y both are what? Negative. In fourth quadrant, you have what? X is what? Positive but y is what? Negative. These things we have. Okay. Next, aru eta important bostu eta tumi sai loba. Yar pora etu bostu gom pai gola. Ite next ami jam this four result you have. Next ite jama a axis dal. Edal ki axis bili koa hoy? This one is known as what? X axis. Simply jodi moi duta coordinate moi assume koru like that 2 0 aru ta coordinate lola tumi minus 2 0. 2 0 hole x or value kiman ahibo tomar 2 units and y coordinate is 0. That means lies on where? X axis in the positive direction, that is the positive direction. Again, when you consider this coordinate minus 2 0, minus 2 hole negative direction of x axis ahibo. Etu side ahila 1 2 units se ahibo. But y coordinate is equal to 0. Tetiale kuntu code lies hobo? Lies on where? X axis. Code lies hobo tomar x axis lies hobo. That means when you consider this type of coordinate, enukwa type or jodi coordinate bilak mo consider koru, tetiale he point bilak code lies hobo tomar always lies on which axis? X axis. That means x axis or lies howa point bilak or car coordinate 0, y coordinate must be equal to 0. Another important point is what? Coordinate of points lies on x axis. Kiman ahibo x axis lies hoi thaka point bilakor coordinate kiman hobo? Definitely ki hobo tomar x 0. X is any real number, maybe positive ahibo pare or negative. Again, next point is what? The coordinate coordinate of points lies on y axis jodi y axis ot lies on which axis y axis ot lies hole tomar point laga car coordinate 0 hobo etu side na jay the car coordinate 0 hobo x coordinate must be equal to 0 that means what is the coordinate of this point 0 y that is the coordinate of this point okay now I am going to discuss about the distance formula now how can you find the distance between two points in coordinate system or duta point or another distance ami kenake uliabo paru say if we consider 2 point one point is this one p x1 y1 and another point is what q x2 y2 2 points are there okay now you have to find the distance between these 2 points a duta point or mother q level tomar distance okay if we draw a perpendicular line on x axis from these 2 points at a point to be m losa and at a point to be q losa to be m again from point p if we draw a perpendicular line on qm this one we consider r that is the origin the length of this portion OM equal to what x1 or this portion is equal to what y1 because generally for the point q over nr distance to kiman paibola tumi x2 or n or q distance definitely kiman paibola tumi y2 তেতিয়া ইয়াৰ পৰা এইখন distance আহিলে তোমাৰ definitely x1 আৰু ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালে তোমাৰ x2 then what is the length of this portion এটো আহিলে তোমাৰ x2 minus x1 এটো যদি x2 minus x1 হয় এটো কিমান আহিব তোমাৰ x2 minus x1 এটো আহিলে x2 minus x1 and equal হ'ব similarly what is the length of this portion এখন কিমান আহিলে তোমাৰ y1 ই যদি y1 হয় এটো portion কিমান আহিলে তোমাৰ y1 total length কিমান আছে তোমাৰ y2 এইখন আহিলে তোমাৰ y1 total length y2 the length of this portion is equal to what y2 minus y1 that is the length of this portion what qr now you have to find the length of what pq q level and one pq length level according to Pythagoras theorem from the right angle triangle PRQ here pra ki likhbo pariba tumi pq square that is the hypotenuse is equal to pr square plus what rq square pr means what is the length of pr is equal to what x2 minus x1 whole square rq means what rq is equal to what y2 minus y1 whole square therefore pq equal to what root over what x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square with the help of this result you can find the distance between these 2 points what p and q p and q point er major distance hole hobe at pq square plus minus q likha nai the length is always positive therefore we consider what positive sign clear again if we consider an example jodi eta moi example consider koru je eta point dia ase p point to dia ase 2 3 and q point is what 4 5 now you have to find the length of this two coordinate pq it all over x1 y1 ekon moi likhilo it was x1 y1 this one is what x2 y2 okay according to this result x2 minus x1 x2 mane ki mane 4 minus 2 whole square next 5 minus 3 whole square what is the value of this portion that ki mane 4 minus 2 means what 2 square 5 minus 2 means what 2 square that means what 4 plus 4 root over 4 plus 4 that means you have what root over what 8 8 means what 2 root 2 units likhibo lagbo length or karone ki likhibo lagbo 2 root 2 what units the similarly if you consider another coordinate jodi bela coordinate use kore tetia tumi ki uliabo pariba yar distance uliabo pariba okay now here we consider some set of questions to find the distance between these 2 points one is what 2 3 40 minus 1 3 4 0 eta point p loba eta q loi loba henre 7 2 1 6 ro uliabo pariba দুটা পইণ্টৰ মাজৰ ডিষ্টেন্স উলিয়াব লাগে ফৰ্মুলাটো কি আছিল তোমাৰ √x2 - x1 whole square plus y2 - y1 whole square. With the help of this formula, you can find the distance between these 2 points. I hope you have understood the distance formula and position of what coordinate in a quadrant or in a axis. Okay, thank you.